Good morning, grade 10. Today we are going to see tests of similarity. Now students generally get confused between two concepts. One is congruent and second is to be similar. Now see, when two things are exactly congruent, that means in case of triangles if we are speaking, then all the three sides and all the three angles will be exactly equal. So two triangles will impose upon one another exactly. That is to say that both the triangles are congruent. Now what do you mean by similar? Similar means what? Similarity. All the angles will have same measures, but three sides, the ratio will be in equal proportion. Always remember that when you speak about similarity of two triangles, then the sides are always in same proportion. Okay, that means what? When two triangles are similar, they may be of different shapes. Sides may have different lengths. One triangle may be small, another may be big. Though the angles are equal, angles may be of equal measure. See here, three angles are same, equal measures. But one is smaller, another is bigger. Alright, that is to say that when two triangles, in case of triangles if we are speaking, then two conditions are very important. First is, the necessary conditions are that their corresponding sides are in same proportion. That means if you speak about side AB of this small triangle and PQ of this small triangle and corresponding side, for example AC and PR, then AB upon PQ will be same as AC upon PR. Sides will be in same proportion. And second important thing is that their corresponding angles are congruent. That means angles will have same measure. We know there are three sides and three angles. So among this, even though if any three conditions are satisfied, then we can say that two triangles are similar to each other. Okay. So either all the three sides can be in proportion or two sides can be in proportion. It depends. So among the six possibilities, having all the three angles congruent and having all the three sides, corresponding sides in same proportion, only three conditions are necessary to prove that two triangles are similar. And you may say these conditions which are sufficient to prove that two triangles are similar, we call those conditions as tests of similarity. So let us see what do you mean by tests of similarity. I hope difference between to be congruent and to be similar is clear. If the sides are of same measurements of both the triangles and angles are of same measurement, then they are congruent. If sides are in proportion but angles are congruent, then they are similar. So in case of similar figures, the figures may be small or big. Both the triangles, one can be larger in size, one can be smaller in size. So size may differ in similarity. But in congruence, size remains the same. Please remember this very well. The basic difference in being congruent and being similar. So the figures which are of same shape but of different size can be similar. Shape is same. Triangle shape is exactly same because angles are same. So shape can be same but size is different. That is to be similar. And when both shape also and size also are similar, then they become congruent. Okay. So as of now we will concentrate on similarity. Remember, shape is same, size may be different. Okay. Or they are different, that is to say that the two triangles are similar. Now first is AAA test of similarity. Now just look at these two triangles. Angle A and angle P both are 75 degrees. B and Q are both 50 degrees. C and R both are 55 degrees. Though PQR angle is little bigger and ABC triangle is little smaller in size, we know that though the size is different, we say that these triangles are similar. Why? Because their corresponding angles are congruent. So what is the definition? Just see, you may pause the video and take down the tests of similarity. So for a given correspondence of vertices, what is one-to-one correspondence of vertices? A is equal to P. Look at that vertex. So A matches with P, then B, Q, C and R. So A angle will be equal to P angle, B will be equal to Q and C will be equal to R. That is to say that ABC is having 1-to-1 proportion or correspondence. This is 1-to-1 correspondence with PQR. So for a given correspondence, this is the 1-to-1 correspondence for vertices. If corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, congruent means having exactly same measures, then the two triangles are similar. So this test is called as AAA test, in which all the three angles are considered at a time of both the triangles. Now come to the next test, that is AA test. Now see students, it is very obvious that if two triangles are similar, for example 50 is equal to 50 here and 55 is equal to 50. If I give only these two triangles, we know that sum of measure of angle is 180. So if you add this two and subtract from 180, you will automatically get third angle as 75 here also and there also. So even though if two triangles are equal, third angle also, in a triangle, if two angles have equal measure of both the triangles, then measure of third angle will be automatically equal to the third angle of the other triangle. Are you understanding me? It becomes obvious, and therefore AA test of similarity is also there, where only two angles are congruent is given, because in this case third angle automatically becomes congruent to each other. So just see the test. For a given correspondence of vertices. Now here angle are LMN and XYZ. So what is the 1-to-1 correspondence? LMN is in 1-to-1 correspondence with XYZ. This is correspondence of vertices. Alright. So for a given correspondence of vertices, if two angles of one triangle are congruent with the corresponding two angles of the other triangle, then two triangles are similar. And which is the test? They are similar by AA test of similarity. Here angle M is equal to angle Y, then angle N is congruent to angle Z, and therefore triangle LMN is similar to triangle XYZ. You understand the difference between congruent sign and similar sign. This is to say that congruent, and this sign is to say that it is similar. Okay, so I hope both the tests are clear to you. AAA test of similarity and AA test of similarity. Let's go to the next tests. Let's see the third test, that is SAS test. Now see, the name itself tells you two sides and included angle will be there. Alright, in this test of similarity, if two sides are in proportion and angle between them is congruent, then two triangles are said to be similar by SAS test. Just read what it is given. For a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, if two pairs of corresponding sides are in the same proportion, these two sides, this is one side of first two triangles, this is another side of first triangle, this is another side of second triangle. So ratio of this will be same. If two pairs of corresponding sides are in the same proportion and angles between them are congruent, then two triangles are similar by SAS test. So you have two pair. Which is one pair? AB upon LM. This is one pair. What is the ratio of this pair? 1/2. What is the ratio of another pair? BC upon MN. It is 2/4. But 2/4 is nothing but, see 2/4. 2/4. So 2 ones and 2 twos are. It again becomes 1/2. Okay. So the ratio is same. And that is why it is said that if two pairs, one pair is this, another pair is this. If two pairs of corresponding sides are in the same proportion means both are having ratio 1:2 or 1/2. That is to say that their proportion is same. And which angle you have to consider? In between which two sides we are considering, in between that which angle is coming? Angle B over here, angle M over here. And therefore correspondence of the vertices over here is ABC is in 1-to-1 correspondence with LMN. Okay, now here only one angle is congruent, which is that angle B is congruent to angle M. But here two sides are in proportion, pair of two sides. So one pair is AB upon LM equal to BC upon MN, which is equal to 1/2. I hope this test is clear. Now see, there are some properties of similar triangles. If triangle ABC is, every triangle is similar to itself, that is reflexivity. Reflection, you know, of same thing it is. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC. A triangle is similar to itself. Now if ABC is similar to DEF, then DEF is also similar to ABC. This is nothing but what? Symmetry. If one is similar to another, another is similar to first. And third is transitivity. One is similar to second, second is similar to third, so first will be similar to third. Alright, so if ABC triangle is similar to triangle DEF, but DEF is similar to GHI, then we automatically have ABC is similar to GHI. And this property is called as transitivity. So just keep this in mind, and these three tests are important. First was AAA, then AA, and then SAS test of similarity. That's all for today from my side, students. Thank you.